day before Thanksgiving. We were out for Norfolk Southern 8099, the Southern Heritage locomotive, leading a eastbound ethanol train. The wait would be a little bit longer than expected, but because of that we'd see more trains. So first up, here's the eastbound UP intermodal. Next up, we get another eastbound UP intermodal with some good horn action. And if you're wondering why the camera's so shaky, it's because I forgot my tripod. There'd be about 4 to 5 eastbound UPs, and 8099 would be either the third or fourth one. So the next eastbound to come through is a eastbound UP mixed freight. This train's passing that we'd find out that NS 8099 was sitting in the Fox, and we'd about 20 minutes to get there before he would leave, because a inbound metro was what it was waiting for. Anyways, here's a westbound intermodal. This one is a Z train. And here we're on the Fox. If you recall from 2 videos ago, we saw this unit in Geneva. If you haven't seen the video, be sure to check it out. Anyways, I had to hurry up because my drone was about to die, and it was kind of windy, so I had to be careful. So I didn't fly it right up to the engine, but I got some decent shots, and I think they turned out pretty good. And also, in the second unit is a NS-9. These units are disappearing rapidly, and I think they have about 3 years left before they're all gone, so be sure to get them all you can. But here are the shots of NS 8099, as they turned out pretty good. In the bottom left, you can see the metro coming into the station. This is what the train was waiting for. I highly recommend getting a drone for rail fanning, but you have to take in caution about trains and stuff. But it's nice because you get different vantage points, such as these. Here's the Southern in mid-September, and we're in Geneva. It is trailing dead in tow on an eastbound mixed freight. And the drone does not record audio. This audio is actually from my GoPro. But anyways, for any of you guys wondering, here is the Southern. Now we're just west of the Fox train station, in what I believe to be downtown the Fox, but it's just a post office and a few houses. But here's the Southern leaving from its stop. Right after the engines would clear here, we would hop in the car and chase it slightly eastbound. We did this with NS 4004, which is also in the same video that the Southern was in. Southern one more time. Some of the photos I got at the unit. Pretty happy with them.